Nothing better than ice cold water. What? You told me it was gonna be it's not my fault. I wanted to dance with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody. That was good. What? Come here, come here. Oh, I don't trust you. Oh, don't worry.
If my hair gets wet, it's gonna curl back up, and I tried to flatten it.
Okay, so, put your hair back. You might want to put your hair back.
Why?
For safety reasons, so it doesn't get stuck in the garbage disposal.
Okay.
Now, you see this penny? It's gonna be in here. So look in here. Now close your eyes. Now look in there. Come here.
Oh, why do you have water on? Are you gonna dump that on my hair? You realize it's gonna get curly when I tried to flat iron it last night. When it gets wet.
No. Okay, just put your hair back.
Why?
Just for safety reasons.
Okay.
So it doesn't get stuck in the garbage disposal. Okay. So this penny is gonna go in here, and you're gonna see at the bottom. Okay, you see it? Look in it. Okay, now close your eyes. Now open it. There. Now put your eye up to it. Got you.